Speak loudly, ma'am.
Now, is I'm audible to you?
Uh,
Hello? Still not.
top of my voice.
Now it is okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you able to listen me?
Yeah. You are audible and visible to me. So, good afternoon.
Yeah, very, very good afternoon, ma'am. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. And what's about you?
Oh, I'm also doing great after connecting with you because I have already completed my turn at my workplace. So that's why I am getting free. So that's why I'm able to connect with you.
Wow, that's very fantastic. So, as we are connecting first time, so can I know something about you?
Absolutely, because it is our first time, so we cannot figure out to each other by the doing some of the our conversation, and after that we start our casually conversation. Oh yeah, absolutely. So, ma'am, I am a Seth Singh. I am a job holder. I work in a Tata Motor at the Uttarakhand. At the present time, I am connecting from the Uttarakhand. Basically, I'm from the Haryana. And if I mention about my qualification, I have completed 10 plus 2 plus ITI. After that, I got a job. And if I discuss about my, apart from, I have completed 1 year speaking course from the American Institute of Speaking English. And if I discuss about my hobby, so I like to play the volleyball, some of the activities with my children for maintenance of my health. And nowadays, I am so flying high, so curious to know, connect with stranger people, to boost my knowledge and confidence. So it's all about me.
Yeah, that's very great. You are doing a very great job. So, may I introduce myself now?
Yeah, absolutely, ma'am.
Okay. So my name is Sunidhi Kumari. I am from Jharkhand. As I'm studying class 9, I have 5 members in my family and I have 3 siblings, one me and two small brothers. I'm a hobbyist to learn English language and to learn something new. And I also like to talk with the other peoples like a foreigner peoples and to connect with the peoples in the English language because I'm also curious to speak English language, to learn English language and to practice English language. As I am a YouTuber, I'm running to YouTube channel. That's all about me.
Oh, it is a fantastic, super. You have a much confident girl, or it is.
Yeah.
Are you schooling at the now?
Yeah. I am a student of class 9. I'm studying in a school.
Oh, how is
Yeah.
going your study?
Yeah, my study is going very well.
Are you in a English medium schools?
Yeah, there in my school there is both medium like Hindi also English medium like both there.
As you casually, what kind of language do you use in your school?
Okay, so casually I used to speak in English language, but rather than if we get a time, then we used to speak in our native language like Hindi language. But the teacher they used to tell us that if we have to speak in English language because English is very important for us. So that's why we used to speak in English language.
Oh, absolutely. That's why you are speaking very fastly and confidently because there are number of the student, number of the people are not able to understand what is the meaning of the confidence, and they are not able to express themselves with a confidence. So it is a very important to confidence. After that, you can express yourself and your thought, your point of view. So it's absolutely.
Yeah,
So
I can also see that you have a large number of confidence and you can easily speak with a confident speaking English language and you are knowing very well English language as a thing like that.
because I have no much knowledge about the teaching, and I'm not a professional teacher. But according my experience, according my point of view, I keep on sharing my pleasure, my goodness, my happiness, and my knowledge. So that's why I am also growing day by day by the connecting some of the other people. I try to learn from others because everyone has a unique quality, unique something. So that's why how can we be a perfect in our life? So it is a great to connect to anyone.
Yeah, that's very fantastic. So may I ask some question to you?
Yeah, absolutely, Vijay. Good.
Yeah. So I want to ask to you, sir, that what's your journey about the English language? Like from when did you started to speak and to learn this language?
It is a very nice question because almost the when I connect with some of the others, they will ask about my journey. How did you speak this language, and how do you take interest? So I would like to mention because you have already raised a question. So yeah, during the COVID, before the COVID, I had no much knowledge, and even then, you can say कि I was totally be a dull person according the English language. So that's why I had no any type of knowledge about the language. I hate. I used to hate about this language, and I was a very shy person. That's why. So during the COVID, everyone had to stay at our home. So I used to mobile and through the YouTube, I used to pass. I used to kill my time. So that's why one day I have to think in my mind and why I cannot utilize of that time because almost the time we have to stay at home. So one day I realized and I was not able to stand in front of my friend circle, in front of the class. To even then I was not able to express about me, about myself. So that's why how can I understand that I am an educated person? So that's why I relied. And what is the value of the education? So that's I started my journey to learn about the sentences. First, I started to learn sentences, and after that, I never give up. Continuously, I try to learn. I try to discuss some of the other people by the facing by face and through some of the social media and like this. And after that, after 1 year, I have to join offline classes of the American Institute for build up my confidence. How can I express myself in front, stand in front of the class on the stage? So after that, after joined the American Institute, I found a great confidence. And after that, as today, I can stand in front of the 1,000 people and I can roar like a lion. So that's why, because I have much confidence and I understand how can make performance of the sentences, how can make a balance of speaking English. So that's why I am feeling very great to connect. Due to English language, I'm able to connect with you because you are
Yes, yes.
from the Jharkhand, far from the Uttarakhand and so far. But by the by this language and due to English language, we are able to connect. And I am so grateful that I was given a chance to connect with a so different state people. So that's why it is amazing for me.
Yes, yes. You're a very great person like that. I cannot see any people's. And now only I have seen that you have so much confidence in yourself that I can do anything. You are a determined person. Like I have to do something. I have to learn something. So I should be on that. Like you have also think about your futures that I have to do something. I have to learn English language and I have to connect with the people. So like you also the people should be. And I just think that I have learned a lots of things from you. And like you also, your journey was really grateful. Like you, my journey is also really relatable. Like I was in class 6 or 7 at that time only started my speaking journey. And I was facing a lots of problem at that time. I was even though I was not knowing to form a sentence also.
Facing many difficulties in initially time, but I would like to suggest you don't lose your hope and be a confidently. If even then you are making a mistake, you should not think about the mistake because everyone make a mistake. It is a in our nature by the but
Yeah, it
knowingly
is a common for everybody.
for everyone. But knowingly, unknowingly, we are not making a mistake. But by chance, if we are making mistake, we realize and improve in our life, in our future.
Yes,
So
yes.
it is a great way to build up our knowledge.
Yes, sir, you are absolutely right. So,
Yeah.
as I was starting my journey, like from 6 or 7 class, I've started. Like I was not knowing anything about the English language, even though I was not trying to form a sentence. Also, I was facing a lots of difficulties, and even though I was hating also English language, I was not knowing. So that's why. And so that's why my parents and my teacher told me that if you know the English language, then you will not gonna to face a lots of difficulties in your future life. So that's why I just think at that time that I should learn English language. English is very important for us. So that's why I just learned firstly grammar. because grammar is very important for us. If we will know the basic grammar also, then we can easily form the sentence.
Yeah,
Yes,
absolutely.
yes.
Yeah, absolutely. Because your
Yes.
teacher also teach you ki first it is a first step to build up to grow in your life. By the step to step, you can achieve everything, whatever you want to get in your life. But you have to follow all over the step to step. Within a one day, within a 1 month, within a few years, you will not achieve. But one day you will achieve everything.
Yes.
What you want to get.
Yes, sir, you are absolutely right. Like we have to do a lots of sacrifices for doing anything. Like if we also want a success in our life, then we have to do a lots of sacrifices in our life for learning English, also for learning anything. For we can also see in the case of a study, like if we are studying, then we have to do a lots of hard work. And for doing anything, for learning anything, we have to do a lots of hard work, and we have to sacrifices a lot. So that's why we should, if we want to be a success persons in our life, so that's why we have to sacrifices for that. We have to utilize the time in that, and we have to practice so much at the regular basis. Like English is a common language for everybody now. It has become a common language, and if we want to connect with the peoples, like if people they want to connect globally to the people, so that's why English is very necessary for us. And if we go to the southern places like Tamil Nadu, Kerala, there we find that they are speaking their native language, and we are also speaking our native language, so we are not able to connect. And English is a common for everybody. If we want to connect to those people also, then we have to speak in English language. Yeah.
Absolutely. I totally agree with you. But I would like to praise in your confidence, praise your admiring, your courage. And I would like to suggest you again and again, never give up. And you have to become your consistency and follow some of the correct like people, and you will grow, you will achieve everything in your life. Because in this age, there are a number of the people try to connect, try to grow in their life. When I connect by face some of the other people who has already passed the 10th, passed the 12th, and after that, when I connect someone and I ask some of the question in English to me, even then they have already grown in the English medium school, but they have no confidence. They are feeling shy. They are lack of confidence due to the hesitation. They are not able to express. But you are a very confident girl, and I keep on admiring again and again. Very good, Vijay.
Yes, yes, I've also not seen a person like you, that you are teaching me like a teachers. And like I have learned a lots of things from it, that we have to do, we have not to be like, we have not to lose our hopes in our future lives. And we, whatever we are knowing, we have to express all those things. Like the beginners, one who is not knowing English language, they have to start, they are starting first time, they are hesitating that what I have to speak, I'm not able to speak, what the people will think about me, that I'm not able to speak, they will think like that only. So they have not to think like that. We have to overcome of the hesitations by speaking anything. First time we are not knowing, but after some practice, we can easily speak English language or any language. If we want to learn anything, we have to do a lots of hard work in that. So that's why first time we will speak, like I was also speaking first time. Then I was doing a lots of mistake. I was hesitating so much. I was feeling that what the people will think about me, that I'm not knowing anything about the English language. So I was thinking like that only. But I was doing a regular practice, and even though I was in the Skype application, I have joined before 8 to 9 months only. And now I have understood the importance of the English language, that it is very necessary for you, necessary for us, and for growing in our future life. It will be very beneficial for us to learn English language. Like if we also want to take a good job in our future life, then this is very English plays an important role. Like at the international level also, if we want to give the interview or presentation, anything if we want to give, then we have to speak in English language only. English is very necessary for us.
Absolutely. So, but today, do you not go to the school today?
No, sir, it's going on holiday about the Chhath Puja.
Oh, yeah. Oh, sorry, I forgot. It is a
Yeah,
chat.
yeah, yeah.
That's why I am thinking, how are you connecting? Because you are in ninth standard school, girl of the standard school, and you did not go to the school. Oh, I forgot. Oh, my children also
Yes,
on.
yes, sir.
Oh, so do you celebrate of the Chhath Puja?
Yeah, I celebrate, but this year I'm not celebrating due to some issue.
Okay. That's why. So
Yes, sir. Yeah.
the next time when we connect, so I would like to know about the what is the meaning of the Chhat Puja and why do we celebrate of the Chhat Puja, because this is a some of the state like a Bihar and Jharkhand and some of the district of the UP also celebrate of this. This is a local festival. So I
Yes, yes, sir.
curious to know about the what is the meaning of the Chhat Puja and how do you celebrate. So in the next conversation, I would like to know, and you have to mention all over the things about the Chhat Puja.
Yeah, sure. So definitely we can connect next time. So today I'm very, very happy to talk to you. And I have also learned so many things from it.
Girl, I'm able to connect with a great enthusiasm, and I would like to again keep on maintaining, keep on focusing on your business and on your study, so you will achieve everything in your life. So good day.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. Bye. Have a nice day.
Oh, I also thank you, same to you.